Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Isencane Lengane. Now, Isencane Lengane has a reunion, and the things that everyone was hoping to see, we are not seeing. In the reunion, everybody was hoping to see that the show will be cancelled, but the show is not cancelled. Now, the host, being Unemrod Nkosi, asked everyone, being Uthando Nosiacela, if they wanted the show to be cancelled, understanding that people are calling for its cancellation due to the GBV allegations or the GBV signs rather that are seen at TV. Now, Moja Love has since responded that this is an awareness. They are raising an awareness, and therefore they believe that the show should continue and the show should not be terminated. However, the viewers are concerned about Usiacela abusing Uthando, but Uthando has since said she has never been abused by Usiacela. She does not want to lie on Usiacela's name, and because of that, she would like the show to continue. Usiacela said he would like the show to continue because he wants umama Thando to prove and show ukuthi yini le ebathi uyidlise Uthando. The day lento leyo ivela yokuthi nayi vele Usiacela umdlisile ngempela Uthando, then the show would be terminated. But until such a point, Siacela and Thando would like the show to continue. Even the experts did indicate that the underlined GBV that is being seen there, however, it is an awareness that they're doing to the family, and also that Moja Love has made alternatives or ways to ensure that Uthando is protected. What do you think about this whole thing? Do you think the show is safe for Uthando?